Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Rice Krispies Treat Pops. If you have ever lived in Japan, you may know that there is no Kellogg Rice Krispies in Japan. If you wanted to make Rice Krispies Treats in Japan, you can use Pon Gashi instead. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
Yes!
Here are the ingredients. Melt butter on low heat. Add marshmallows and stir until completely melted. Now you want to add Pon Gashi. By the way, if you're not going to use Rainbow Marshmallows, and if you want to use only rice puffs, then add 1 more cup of Pon Gashi. Coat a cup with oil. Now press in Rainbow Marshmallows and rice puffs nicely into a cup. This pocky is really cute, but it didn't work as an ice candy stick. So if you have, use ice candy sticks. And of course, it is really sticky, so if you think you can't put in cups, make bars. Leave to cool for about 30 minutes. Trace the edges with a knife, then it is easy to pull out. You can cut into bars or squares. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. 자, 早速いただきます。抜けた。おいしい。うめ。おいしいです。香ばしくて美味しい。ポン菓子は香ばしいです。ポン菓子ってね、ちょっと砂糖でコーティングされてるから甘いかなと思いきや、そんなに甘くないです。むしろちょうどいい甘さで本当に美味しいです。なんかね、すごくヘルシーな気もするし、ひっくり返さない。なんですんのそうやって。 ガチャガチャって全部出さないで。おもちゃを全部ひっくり返してしまいました。おいしい。そう、おせんべいみたい。よくわかん。おいしい？おいしかった。よかったね。おいしいです。ぜひ作ってみてください。これね。綺麗だね。綺麗です。綺麗すぎます。今日の桜は綺麗です。うわー、綺麗。ダメだよ、止まってね。止まって止まって。見せて見せて。タンポポ？We are having super nice weather. It must be a great time to visit Tokyo. Oh my god.